Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Workspace. And in today's video, I will show you how to explore different AI tool in Google Smart Feature Workspace and how you can enable it and use it across your Google apps. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, let's say you want to do to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Google Apps and then go ahead and click on Drive right here. Okay, and then once you click on Drive, it's automatically take you to your Google Drive page, except if you have not logged into your Google Drive Google account with your username and password. But if you have already logged into your Google account with username and password, it directly take you to your Google Drive right here, just like what you see right here. So I'm getting to your Google Drive. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right there. Go ahead and click on setting icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to privacy right here. On getting to privacy, go ahead and make sure you navigate to uh, manage workspace smart feature settings. Click on that and it's going to take you right here. So by default, Google Workspace smart feature in Google Workspace, make sure this particular button here is fully turned on. Once you turn it on, then you have access to some of the AI tool that you can use in either your Google Calendar, your Gmail account, or Google Meet, or Google Meet, or Chat, or Google Gemini AI, as the case may be. Then you can scroll down right here. You have another smart features in other products, on another Google products right here. So go ahead and make sure you turn on this also. Then scroll down right here and see some of the stuff you are going to benefit if you enable these features right here. Lastly, come down below right here and then go ahead and click on save and you are done. Once you are able to save it, you have your preferences have been saved right here. So once you enable this, you can use some of these smart features AI tool in your Google app, like on Gmail, Google Worksheet, Google Docs, as the case may be. Like for instance, you want to take a look at your Google Worksheet. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and I will simply click on here to create a new tab. Then having created a new tab, I will go ahead and come to the apps right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Docs right here. I'm going to click on Docs. Once I click on Docs, I'm going to go ahead and click on blank page right here. So once you click on blank page, then you notice that some of the features is going to be appear in your Google Docs right here. Okay, like for instance, take a look at these features right here. Meeting notes. So this allow you to use different templates to create a meeting note. Email draft. You can use these tools to create a email draft. And then you can click on more to see different options as this will be. Let's say for instance you want to use email draft. Go ahead and select email draft right template right here. Then go ahead and you can see email draft. When you are done writing the email, you can easily convert it into a Gmail draft by clicking on the button just like so. So here, draft person one, and then select their Gmail account. Like for instance, I'm drafting for this, and then person two. So go ahead and select their email account, and make sure you. So once you can add as many as possible, then you can add just like so. So you can come to the subject right here and say hello. Okay, hello. So right here we can easily type in our message right here. I love the tools Google Workspace. Okay, so once you are done with whatever you want to type in right here, you can as well check on the preview on how it's going to look like in Gmail. So for that, simply right click and click on preview in Gmail. And in a few seconds, it's going to preview. You can see Google Workspace is in action. So just like so, you have a look on how it's going to look like in Gmail. So once you are done with everything, just come down below right there and hit on send, and the mail will be sent. You can use this Google Smart feature to do different things as the case may be. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Google Smart feature AI tool in different way in different Google apps, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.